So, my friends, how's things going out there in YouTube land, y'all? Welcome back to my video channel, Life of Chuck. And how are things with you guys today? We're doing so-so. We just got off work, so we're getting ready to end our day at 8 a.m., something like that, yeah. If y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, you should do it now, because you know what? You never know what the hell we're gonna post or what we're gonna do. So, today I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do. So, we're getting ahead of the game. We got some van repairs to do. That's what we gotta do. However, I just got off work. It's 8 a.m. and we're gonna go for a nap. And then we're gonna go buy a 6-pack of beer, and I've seen it on sale for $9.99. It's hemp blonde ale. It sounds pretty freaking delicious, actually. And you know what? With a hemp beer, what can you can't go wrong, man. Look at, you can get stoned and drunk at the same time. Oh my god. Hey, don't get me wrong, the marijuana and the hemp thing's not my style, but I don't know, for some reason it just sounded like a good beer, and you know what? It's pretty damn cheap. So I don't drink much, so for me, one beer while I'm spending a couple hours working on the van should be pretty good. Anywho's, yeah, we're getting ready to end our day at 8 a.m., something like that, yeah. So today's video will be a little bit of repairs on the van. Okay, we came to the liquor store to buy the blonde hemp ale beer, and I came away with something totally different. What did I get? I got s'mores stout and festive pudding. So we'll have to check this out. This limited release s'mores stout, this was $9.99 for a 4-pack, and this here is festive pudding ale, and this was like $3. There's 2 other beers I think that they have Christmas kind of brew, and it's called Santa's Sack and the Grinch. So I think I'm gonna buy both of those bottles, and I'm gonna take them to Vancouver Island with me, and we'll do the Christmas celebration with the festive beers. Hell yeah! Get some of that, boys and girls. Gotta get some of that. Okay, so I pulled off the 2 spark plugs. The one that was oil fouled last time, and the cylinder beside it. And yeah, these things don't look very proper. They should be a light tan to chocolate color, and these guys are freaking white as hell. This one here still showing a little bit of oil burning because it's darker on the outside electrode. However, yeah, that's definitely the wrong coloring, so that's not good. I think these, no matter what, I'm gonna have to change all these spark plugs. So I think when I get some time this week, I'm gonna go buy some more spark plugs. I also did a quick check over of all the wiring. I checked off the ignition module wiring, which seems all okay. It doesn't seem to be cracked or no signs of damage. I checked the coil wires, everything. I checked inside the pickup wire area, and that seems good. I also checked the distributor cap. A lot of times these can crack, and then once you get a crack in them, they misfire. However, this looks like it's pretty much brand new, and I said the same thing last time, that it looked brand new. However, the timing does look like it's moved a bit, so I might have to reset the timing. So, while we're here, we're going to give the carbon idle adjustment. So that is the air fuel screws. We got one air fuel on this side and one on the other side. So far we'll do that, and I adjusted the timing. I don't like it. Yeah, something, it seems to still have a miss there for some reason. I don't know. But we'll have to take it for a drive and see. So, yeah, that's it for now. Time to go clean up and call it a day. Okay, folks, so what happened with today's repairs? Well, I'm going to have to change spark plugs. It looks like the heat range is not 100%. I should probably get a little bit next size or whatever, next heat range of plug, I guess, is what I'm going to have to do. However, I did go to the auto parts store and I asked them for an engine control unit. And the guy came back saying that, oh, sorry, this is not available anymore. And it used to cost $390. I'm like, something didn't seem right there. The price just didn't match the usual price on those electronic ignition boxes. They used to be like $90 or 70, 80, 90, $100, something like that. So it shouldn't have been over that. So I think maybe I got a bad parts advisor. However, I did ask him if he had a ballast resistor, and oh my god, the price on these things just... I don't know if I can afford that. This is a ballast resistor box. This is a common problem on Dodges. They go through a lot of heat cycling, and eventually they burn out. There's a little resistor in between there, I guess, is what it is. This pricey little devil cost me $11.70 some. Yeah, I know, pretty expensive, eh? Compared to the newer cars, which the electrical components are hundreds of dollars, and computers are at least sometimes even in the thousands. So, I changed this over and we have no difference. So, saying that, it's back to tracing things down. And you know what? When you're working on vehicles, change one thing at a time and try it. Because if you try multiple things, you can't figure out the one problem that caused it. So if you change 4 things, then it's just a guess what went wrong. I wanted to have a spare one anyways, so this will be my spare resistor. Now that I got a new one on, I shouldn't have a problem for however many years it lasts. Oh, my friends, this is where we end our video today by going and uploading the next video for you guys to watch. So, in saying that, we're going to do the same thing as usual. We're going to say thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Yeah, we didn't drive the van very far. We just went a block or 2 down just to kind of test it out. So, now we end it by saying thanks for watching. Stay awesome, be kind, have a great day, and the rain looks like it's coming. Just in time for me to go to work. Anyways, cheers guys, later.